Hello everyone, so I guess you are preparing for your trip to Madeira and wondering how to rent a car here and if it's a good idea. And don't worry, I will tell you that it is a really good idea and it is not as difficult as it may seem. So as you can see, I rented a car from Sixt, but before that I want to show you how I did that and what you should know, what are the rules and what you should keep in mind to have a nice holiday. So first of all, you can go to Auto Jardim, then you will be taken to Discover Cars. This is where I rented the car myself. Simply put the dates, the city, the airport, or anything else where you want to pick up the car. So why I chose this method? It's because they are very reputable and they have so many cars to choose from, so many companies, and almost every time I check, they always give you the best price and the best insurance options. So just pick a car, whatever you like. I highly recommend to go for automatic transmission, and even though you'll find on some websites that it's difficult to get automatic, actually I rented it just a few days before and it was fine. I had a lot of cars and a lot of car rental companies to choose from. Because of the hills and narrow streets and maybe something unexpected and different than my own country, which is very flat, I decided to go with compact SUV because it's much more convenient, especially when we are with a baby. Don't forget to also add full insurance. So once you fill the details, just put your car number, name on a card and the rest, and you'll be good to go. After that, you'll get a voucher that you will have to show in the car rental company itself, the one you chose. For in my case, it was Sixt. And here's the footage from Sixt. I just wanted to show that I saw some reviews that sometimes they try to charge you for some scratches that you didn't even make. So my tip is to just go around the car, film it, take pictures and make sure you record every single scratch or bump that you find to prevent extra charges. What I also recommend is to get a full insurance, and you can just add an option through Discover Cars just like I did. Just keep in mind that when you will go to pick up your car, Sixt or any other company may ask you to buy another insurance, which is not necessary because they simply don't see it on their system. Now about the driving itself, I can say that it is really a pleasant experience because the streets are not crowded, locals are friendly, and if you choose a good car that you actually enjoy to drive, it is gonna be a wonderful holiday. And just some extra things to know: if you are at least 25 years old, it's okay, but if you are younger, you have to pay a little bit extra, and some companies require at least 1 to 2 years driving experience. And if you are going with a child or a baby, you have to buy or take your own baby seat. We booked it through Discover Cars as well, and it was extra 10 or 15 euro a day. And once you drop off your car, don't forget to film it and take pictures again, just in case later they decide that you did damage. Because some reviews said that this happened, so better safe than sorry. And after a couple of days, they should return the deposit straight to your account. I hope this video was useful for you, and just to let you know, there are some wonderful ways to travel around Madeira as well, which is by bus or by tour guides such as jeeps and even more. So feel free to watch other videos and decide your best travel method around Madeira. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trip.